name is Lucy Septioni from the Management Study Program. For today's material, I will explain material about family. How many families you have, how many siblings is family, and the right word to us talking about family. Tell me about my family. My family. I will introduce my family to you. My parents are merchants, do our sell goods every day. My mother is Taylor Disney. She is strength daycare, she is big eye, she is very care. My father is Charlotte Disney. He has strict daycare, he has small eyes, she is friendly smile. My sister is short Disney. She is short daycare, she is short Disney. She is dead. My grandfather is healthy. He is 18 years old. He is short with hair. More of my family member is staying here. Thank you. This material is to understand? Yes, I am.